Hello guy, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix GCash app game can't open. You are trying to open the game inside your GCash app but it just won't load or crashes immediately. Here's how to fix it in a few simple steps. Step 1. First close the app, swipe up or go to recent apps and close GCash. Then relaunch it and try again. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi or strong mobile data. Weak signals can prevent the game from loading. Step 3. Clear cache, Android only. Go to settings, apps, GCash, storage, tap clear cache. This won't delete your account or money. Step 4. Update the GCash app. Open Google Play or App Store. Search for GCash and tap update if available. An old version may block the game feature. Step 5. Restart your phone. This helps keys, hidden glitches and refreshes your apps. Step 6. Reinstall the app. Still stuck? Uninstall. Step 6. Reinstall the app. So uninstall GCash, then reinstall it. Log back in and check the game section again. That's it. One of these steps should get you GCash game working smoothly again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, to subscribe and hit the bell for more quick videos. See you in the next one.